Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is December the 11th. We are out here in the Hamilton Mill, Dacula area. Went out and did an in-home consultation this morning for a repeat client. I did some services for him years ago, and his floors are going to need to be sanded. So I want to have one of my sanding guys go out there and take a look. So anyway, and then we have another consultation after this for a repeat client that want to get some work done to her wood floors. And we're at a repeat client's house that we did 2 weeks ago. This is the residence of Mrs. Kim. I still have not met her yet. When she booked her initial job for the wood floor, she just sent pictures and the measurements. I came out here, she gave us access to the house. Today her nanny is here. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, Miss Kim was so happy. She was so happy with the wood floors, she hired us to come back and do her granite countertop. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. Guys, it is a little nippy. It was really cold this morning. So let me show you what we're doing. So yeah, these are the floors. If you guys go back to my YouTube, these are the floors that we did about 2 weeks ago with one of my ride-alongs, Alan. He was from the Boston area. And the floors look amazing. She had the furniture moved out. Shout out to my guy Christian. They moved all the furniture out. So anyway, so we did all these floors. It was about a little bit over 1,600 square feet. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is these granite countertops. If you feel them, they feel, well, you can't feel them, but they are smudgy. They have a lot of residue on them. They feel rough. Oh yeah, I mean, you can just see, yeah, a lot of film. So we're gonna get these cleaned. He's just getting some stuff organized. Also getting prepared for a class that I'm going to be doing for countertops next Thursday with my instructor, Robert Falzone. Flying him out from Las Vegas. So see right here, guys. So yeah, these countertops, they need some good TLC, and that's what we're going to do today. Probably never been done. All right, guys, so we're going ahead and get started, and you're going to see a huge difference. Oh yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Dacula shine,
Truman style.
yeah. Walk back in that home, 2 weeks gone. Wood floors looking like the good Lord turned the lights on. Clean smile wide, said, baby, come on back. Them granite tops were tired, looking cloudy, turning black. They had residue, dull like they lost their fight.
That's a do.
But Truman pulled up, brought that counter back to life.
Hey.
Clean, buff,
polish,
seal again. Yeah, the shine came back like a long lost friend. Oh, Truman brought the shine back again. Yeah.
smooth like
Sunday morning, bright like it's heaven sent. Yeah, from Dacula,
Georgia,
all the way
to the world we in.
oh, clean, polished, and the shine came back again. Oh, yeah,
Shine came back again.
yeah, the shine came back again. Yeah. Granite looking dull, but that don't last long. When Truman put that magic down, strong like a gospel song. Yeah. Client said, Lord Jesus, how you make it glow like that? I said, ma'am, it's just a process. We perfected every pass. dancing underneath that kitchen light. From the wood floors to the stone, they call us back again. 'Cause Truman don't restore, we make it better than it's been. Oh, Truman brought the shine. Yeah, yeah.
Cool like Sunday.
Morning bright like it's heaven sent. Oh, from Dacula,
Georgia.
all the way
To the world we in.
all and clean,
Polish.
and the shine came back again. Yeah, yeah. That Truman shine.
Guys, that is gonna do it. First of all, Mr. Kim, the husband, is here. He told me they are so happy with the floors because the company that did it last time, they used a cheap finish, and he said, Courtney, within a week we started noticing problems, scuffing, scratching. And again, his wife, Miss Kim, did her research and called that company back, and they did say they did tell her what finish they used, and it was not a good finish. So that's the first thing he told us, is how well the floors are holding up already. No scratches, no scuff marks, because I only use premium finishes. So anyway, guys, he also said he cannot remember the last time these countertops looked this good. Now, I will say in their case, their countertops were full of residue. Again, just like wood floors, people get those store-bought products. They start cleaning it with the floor. It creates a lot of residue. Some of those products are very high in pH, so people just use them by themselves. They're not neutralizing them, and it will create a film and a buildup, and it will just hide the true beauty of your countertops. And in certain countertops, it can actually destroy them. All right, so this is Granite, and these countertops came out amazing. Amazing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. About to go do one more in-home consultation, and then we gotta get prepared for tomorrow. I had to make a huge order with Recoat. We're doing a concrete clean and seal tomorrow in LJ, Georgia. And that's another service I'm gonna start pushing more next year, because Georgia has a lot of unfinished basements, and sometimes people don't wanna spend $8, $10 to get it grinded down and put that epoxy coating on it. So what we can do, we can come in and clean it and seal it for $2 a square foot. So that's what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.